Previously on The Moon Family. Last week, we reintroduced our skits and segments. First, we gave you episode 2 of Jim, Bob, and Danny.
Give me that juice now! Danny!
Then, we introduced a new segment called Cooking with Alyssa. After that, we gave you episode 11 of Nature Ned. No black bellies! And finally, we introduced a second new segment called The Lost Footage.
We're the Moons, and
This is our life.
That's right, the previously on voiceover is back. This is episode 7. Let's go! And we're back. Welcome in everybody to episode number 7. We're going to start this episode off strong with Nature Ned's 12th ever episode. Let's go.
Well, hey boys and girls. Look how pokey these leaves are. These ones you can really see the waxy film on them. It helps protect them from the rain and stuff like that. They got a waxy layer on top. Isn't that neat? All right. Well, what do you think, Cameron, Steve? You think that's neat?
Yeah.
Well, I can tell you're not impressed. So, how about this? We're going to switch it up a little bit because Cameron and Steve's always telling me how easy it'd be to do my job. So, you're going to do my job. I'll be the cameraman this time. Give me that.
Oh. Okay. You gotta keep it on me if you're gonna. Nature Ned.
Always.
Okay. So right over here, we have a leaf. It's pretty crunchy. Where were you?
No. Huh?
Just keep going.
All right.
Look at look at this, guys. It's a stick and it's got a bunch of pokey parts on it. Pokey parts. If you'll see that. Are you detailing in it? Okay.
Got it.
And it can, I'm pretty sure they used to use this as like a sword, you know? Keep the camera on me.
All right.
Okay. Boring. Nah. Where's the interesting stuff? Well, we got a river. And look at this thing. Zoom in on this, cameraman. Nature Ned.
Cameraman Ned.
That is something that us humans can eat. This is a very good, it looks like a grape. Normally, Nature Ned would demonstrate this. I'm not going to right now because I'm not hungry. But that is a grape. Oh, I forgot something, Nature Ned. You're supposed to take this because you're the cameraman. As you can see, it's pretty easy to explain some nature like these things. You got little mini Christmas trees. If you plant this in the ground with some water, I think, it'll grow big, and that's how you can get your normal size Christmas trees. I prefer mine mini though. Nature Ned,
I'm trying to collect it for the viewers at home.
but I'm right, Nature Ned. I've done that before.
No, you haven't killed it, Stevie.
No, you didn't do it right.
Focus.
No.
Focus. Oh, look at that.
No.
Man, Steve.
No, the lighting. No. Alright, so it looks like nature decided to make like some sort of swing. Nature Ned? Did you mess it up?
No.
Looks like this is some sort of... Nature Ned.
You're upside down. Oh no. I think I broke it. Oh, it's better. It's better. It's better.
Two hands. And you like really focus, you know, like make sure the detail's good and the quality's good. We're good?
We're good.
Okay. Alright, boys and girls. Ladies, boys and girls. This has been Cameraman Steve's first nature adventure. If you want to see more of this, be sure to follow along because I think this one went really well. So I'll see you next time. Woo! Woo! Alright, next we're heading into our second episode of The Lost Footage. Something I didn't mention last week is that each episode of The Lost Footage will have a new way of presenting it. Today, we're going for some of the funniest clips I could find all mashed together. So without further ado, let's begin.
My name is Greg Moon, and this is my wife, Trisha,
We have 4 kids: Justin, Alyssa.
Jared, and Jordan,
A lot has changed in these past 6 years,
and we wanted to take you back to where it all started
where our interviews first took place.
and filming first begun,
We invite you to look back on what our show used to be.
and enjoy all the fun.
We're the Moons, and
This is our life.
I feel good. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. So good. So good. I got it.
Oh, he missed the safety net.
I feel nice.
He's got broken nothing.
Yeah, I'm the interviewer. I'm asking you questions.
But
Here's the first question.
you don't know it.
Here's the first question.
How did I do this? Wait, what? How do you? I don't know how to do this. Daddy. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi, camera. Your family is probably watching this. Play another game. Okay, you don't care.
Nobody likes me.
When do we start doing fireworks? What time was it around?
When it was light, dark, not like dark, but like light, dark, but not like as light as it was during the day.
We started doing fireworks like after we all were kind of hanging out, had lunch, dinner, and then more friends came over.
Why do you talk so like enthusiastic?
Paw Patrol mac and cheese. Surprisingly delicious.
Good job.
Okay.
Dun dun!
Helps give it flavor.
I've been staring at the edge of the...
Usually it's cool if you have that type of mentality, but it's got to be the right thing, the right setting.
It was.
No, it should be more like at nighttime, and you should be like, look me up before you go. Kind of like
You
that.
yell at me when I do it.
No, not if you do it
Yeah.
right.
I do it right.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
No.
You yell at me every time.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Mm-mm.
And then you get annoyed and you won't join in.
That's when I start it. It's good.
There's the TV. I'm pretty bad at this, but... Hi, Dusty. How's your foot?
Not bad.
$25 and $50. $25 and $50.
Oh, little pumpkin! Little pumpkin!
Mommy!
5 points for Jordan.
Ow! Ow! You don't care. Say hi. Hello. Jordy, say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Your forehead is sweaty.
Yeah, awesome haircut.
George should get his hair cut.
Hairs.
I fell, Justin.
You throw a frisbee into these cool little
I
plastic
hate
things.
frisbees. I hate them so much. They're so unpredictable. You never know where they're gonna go.
Pick one person to punch right now, Alyssa or Jared, then run away. 3,
That's easy.
2, 1.
And next, it's about that time for a commercial break. So let's take a look at this week's sponsor. Are you bored of colorless milk?
Yeah.
Is your milk just all white?
Yeah.
Did you wish your milk was just more fun?
Yes.
Did you know milk doesn't come colored?
Mm.
Until now!
What?
Introducing colored milk. It's milk, but colored. Comes in green,
Ooh.
yellow,
Whoa.
and blue.
What?
Tastes like super good. Colored milk. Get yours today. May contain harmful levels of food dyes. Consumption not recommended by 10 out of 10 doctors. If you or your loved one has recently consumed any amount of colored milk, please consult one of the 10 out of 10 doctors. Not sold in stores. Colored milk. It's milk, but colored. Funnily enough, that commercial actually relates a lot to what this final part of the episode is. So with that, let's check in with our friends Jim, Bob, and Danny.
I'm bringing your milk, Danny. God.
All right, Danny, you get us started off. Start the first chug of chugging.
Guys.
Chug, chug,
Guys.
chug, 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 chug,
Guys.
chug, chug. Whoa! You almost did it that time, Danny.
Guys, what the heck is this?
What?
It's obvious, Jim. It's the Milk Chug Challenge.
The milk chug challenge, Jim. How could you not know that, Jim? This milk. We're chugging milk. It's what we're doing. The milk chug challenge.
Yeah.
Milk is good for you and your bones.
Yeah.
Milk is your leaving.
Yeah.
Why else would we have 8 gallons of milk?
Wait a minute. Why in the name of Tony Baloney's sweet cannoli ravioli would you two need 8 gallons of milk? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 gallons each.
Duh, Jim, that's obvious.
Yeah, duh. It's obvious.
Don't say mean things like that, Danny.
Okay.
We need 8 gallons of milk because we plan on drinking a lot of milk, Jim. 8 gallons to be exact.
You can't be serious. Today, on my reading day, you guys have lost your minds.
And I'm thirsty.
Chug, 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 chug.
How is he doing
chug,
that?
chug, 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 chug. You're almost there. Chug, 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 chug. Come on. Chug, 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 chug. Woo! How are you doing that? Teach me, teach me. I can't believe Bob completed the Milk Chug Challenge. That's not a good sign. I need to keep these two under control. Well, you don't need those anyway. You beat the challenge.
Yeah, but Danny hasn't.
I don't like the white milk. It hurt my stomach. I want chocolate.
Mmm. Chug, 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 chug,
You know,
chug,
this is
chug,
fun.
chug.
You guys are more clever than you look sometimes.
It's very true, Jim. Very true.
And just like that, another episode is in the books. I can assure you, you won't want to miss these last 3 episodes of the season. It's gonna be a blast. But until then, we'll see you next week.